Hello, friends. Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered how computers help us in our daily lives? Whether we are learning in school, working, talking to friends, or even watching our favorite cartoons, computers are there to make things easier and more fun. Let's explore how computers help us in education, work, communication, and entertainment. First, let's talk about education. Computers help us learn new things. We can play learning games, type our homework, and even watch videos about the solar system, animals, or anything else we want to know about. With computers, learning becomes fun and exciting. Look at this. Learning about space by watching planets move is so cool, right? Computers help us understand difficult topics by showing us pictures, videos, and games that make learning easier. Next, let's see how computers help people at work. Did you know that many adults use computers for their jobs? Whether they're writing emails, creating projects, or designing things, computers make work faster and simpler. For example, someone can type a letter or report quickly on the computer, send it with just one click, and share ideas with people far away. Computers make working easier for everyone. Now, what about communication? Computers help us stay connected with friends and family, no matter where they are. You can send messages, video call your grandparents, or even chat with friends while playing online games. Isn't it amazing that we can talk to people who are far away as if they're right next to us? That's the power of computers. And finally, let's talk about entertainment. Computers are super fun. You can watch your favorite cartoons, play fun games, and even listen to music. After school or during a break, computers help us relax and have fun. Whether you want to watch a video, play a drawing game, or listen to music, computers make entertainment available at the click of a button. So, as you can see, computers help us in so many ways. They make learning fun in school, help people work faster, allow us to talk to our loved ones, and keep us entertained with games and videos. Thank you for joining today's video. Next time you use a computer, remember all the amazing things it helps you do. See you soon, and keep exploring with your computer. Bye-bye.